Let's see how this will look. I picked this head. Hopefully I follow. I didn't read the instructions, but I figured this is how. Well, I had one of these before. I don't think there's enough solar energy out right now for it to start working.
Probably got to charge a little bit.
Yeah. This bird has been out here bathing, playing in the water, drinking it. Then she jumps in, washes in it. My cats are going crazy watching her. They think they can sneak up on her. Then she knocked the solar fountain out of the bucket and tipped it over so that the water was streaming outside the bucket, turned around, smacked it with her tail, and evened it out right, and then jumped in. Wow. Animals are smarter than we think. She's gone, kitties. She's gone.